With the first app I earned over $60, and there are two more apps that we can use to earn over $100 a day in pure passive income. So like this video, and let's start with the first passive income app on our list, which is honeygain.com. I will leave a link to Honeygain in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You must have seen me talking about this app before, but today I will be revealing my secret to earn money like this with Honeygain in pure passive income. Honeygain is a passive income website app where you can share your unused internet data in exchange for real money. Now Honeygain won't make you a millionaire, but you can expect to cover your small expenses like your monthly Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube Premium subscriptions, online games and their virtual currencies, or your favorite dishes, etc. Honeygain is available worldwide, so you can use it from any country around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. As you can see, I have already earned over $64 in my account on Honeygain, and I will show you the exact method of how I earned it. So like this video and stay tuned until the end. Now the good thing is that Honeygain is celebrating its 5th birthday anniversary, and they are giving $5 as a sign-up bonus for every new user who joins Honeygain before the end of the 31st of May 2024. So the first step is to click the first link in the description of this video and sign up to the Honeygain app today. Once you log into your account, you will be credited with $5 sign-up bonus to your account, which will be reflected in your earnings right here. As you can see, I have over $64 in my Honeygain account because I am an old user of Honeygain, but in your new account, you will see $5 here. And to start earning more money with Honeygain, you can start sharing your unused internet data or bandwidth with Honeygain to receive some money in exchange for it. And for this, you just need to click on the download app and select your operating system from there. And once the Honeygain app downloads to your device, you just need to install the app and open it. After that, you just need to log into the Honeygain app again, and you're all set to start earning money with it. The app will start sharing your internet bandwidth with Honeygain, and you will start collecting honeybee credits that you can later exchange for real money. And if you join both your phone and your computer device to one account on Honeygain, you can earn even more money. The more devices you join, the more money you will earn. Now the internet data you share with Honeygain is used for different purposes, such as SEO and web intelligence, ad verification, content delivery, etc. But don't worry, Honeygain doesn't use any of your personal data because they simply don't need it. It's 100% safe and secure to use Honeygain, and it is trusted by major antivirus softwares like Avast, Windows, and many more. They have over 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot from over 14,000 real users around the world. So it is one of the safe and legit apps to make money online in pure passive income. And the good thing is, you only need $20 to take your first withdrawal from Honeygain. And if you sign up before the 31st of May 2024, you will get a $5 sign-up bonus. So technically, you just need to earn $15 to withdraw $20. And if you are watching this video after the 31st of May, you can still get the $3 sign-up bonus. Once you reach $20 minimum limit, you can either withdraw your earnings through PayPal, or you can withdraw it through JumpTask crypto payments. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still take withdrawal from Honeygain. And by the way, if you switch to JumpTask from here, you will earn a 10% bonus on your Honeygain earnings, which is really awesome. Now to earn money like this in pure passive income, what you can do is, you can use the referral program of Honeygain from the left. So as you can see on this page, you can earn an extra 1,000 credits to your account for referring your friends to Honeygain. So if you click on grab now, it will show you that once you invite your friend, they will get $5 sign-up bonus for free till the 31st of May. And you will get 20% of their earnings for a lifetime. And for all the referrals you get till the 10th of June 2024, you will get a 25% bonus instead of 20. Not only that, if your referral takes out their first payout from Honeygain, you will get 1,000 credits, which means you will get $1 for it, because every 1,000 credits is equal to $1. So you can just copy your referral link from here and start sharing it with your friends and family to earn even more money with Honeygain. All the users that join through your referral link will be shown here, and 20% of their earnings will be directly added to your account every day. So this was my secret to earn over $60 on Honeygain. I use the referral earnings the most to earn money like this. If I show you my referral earning stats, you can see that most of my earnings are from referrals. I am earning close to 100 credits every day on Honeygain, just in referral earnings. But earning from referrals doesn't mean you don't need to share your internet data or bandwidth with Honeygain, because Honeygain has a policy in which if you don't share your internet data with Honeygain in the last 6 months, all your earnings will be wiped out from your account. So make sure you share at least 10 to 15 MB of data in a week or in a month at least, even if you're relying on referral earnings only. Because first, it will save you from losing your earnings on Honeygain. And second, if you share 15 MB or more data with Honeygain in a day, you can also win up to 100,000 credits, which is equal to $100. And you get 2 extra credits for every 10 MB of data you share. Now, if you want me to show you the live withdrawal proof of my earnings from Honeygain, then help me get over 3,000 likes on this video. The offer of a $5 sign-up bonus and 25% referral commission won't last long, so just click the first link in the description of this video and sign up for Honeygain today. Now, the second passive income app is called as Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. As As the name suggests, this app is available for both laptop and PC devices and mobile devices. This website app is a market research data collector tool that helps companies in their decision making. So you will earn here by participating in market research. You don't have to do anything. They will gather information anonymously about how you use the internet and combine that with the data of other users, which will be used for market research to help improve certain websites, certain online services, and all. Now again, this website app will not make you rich. It is just a way to earn some extra cash online. So to earn money with it, you just need to click on the Join Now button and just fill in some simple information about yourself. Once you log in, they will ask you some simple questions about you, your household, and the devices you use. Next, you just need to install their app on your smartphone or their computer software to your PC device, and you are all set to start earning money in pure passive income. Your data is safe, and your privacy and security are the top concerns of Nielsen. They will collect anonymous data on how you use your device, but they don't collect the content of the visited websites, so you're completely safe. And if you want to earn even more money with it, you can participate in their paid surveys. Now, the good thing about Nielsen app is that they will pay you in many different payment methods, such as Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, or directly to your PayPal account. And if PayPal is not available in your country, you can take withdrawal in your Visa cards. Nielsen is available in a limited number of countries at the moment, so you can check whether it is available in your country or not. Now, the third passive income app is called the emberfund.io. Emberfund is a mobile app where you can mine bitcoins daily by just pressing a single click on your phone. So all you have to do is to click once on your screen in a whole day to keep mining the bitcoin in the background. And you don't need to keep your phone on for this. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, so you can use it on both devices and earn passive income with it. This is a great way to earn pure passive income if you are interested in earning in crypto or Bitcoin for free. And the good thing is that it is available in almost all countries around the world, so you can be from any country and still earn passive income with this app. Emberfund also has more active ways to earn money online, like participating in paid surveys, participating in tournaments, and much more. So you can also use it actively if you want to earn even more money using it. And the good thing is, you just need to earn $5. After that, you will get it in your wallet in the Emberfund account. You can hold it there if you want to hold onto it, or you can invest it into some other crypto portfolio in different cryptos. Or if you want, you can also take it out to any other Bitcoin wallet. Now, out of all these three apps, the honeygain app is the best way to earn passive income online. So once again, I will leave a link to honeygain in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Join today so you don't miss out on $5 sign-up bonus and 25% referral earnings. That's it for today.